Okay, don't try this at home. Fly my little helicopter all the way around the house. Can't have the ceiling fans going. Whoops. It goes into ground effect and ceiling effect. Okay, let's go over in the kitchen. This thing can fly pretty good. It's kind of a cool little copter. Like I say, it gets a little squirrely when you get it by objects. And when you get close to the ground, it wants to lift up because it goes into ground effects. Howdy. I'm filming my copter.
I see that. Don't hit that couch with that.
Well, so far, the only thing I did was dropped it on the floor in between me and the TV.
Well, that's fine. Just don't hit that leather. My show's on, so you didn't have to chill out with that.
Okay. Whoa. Wonder if I can land it on the back of the couch.
Wonder if you can get hurt.
Look, I can land it right here by my laptop. Here's my skill test. Okay, coming in hot. All right, a perfect landing. See if I can do a takeoff. It's kind of crooked. There she goes. That's a good little copter.
I'm thinking about getting us one of them things you want for the motorhome.
You think I should bring this to Rosemont?
Well, hopefully you'll be way too busy.
I could fly it around the trailers.
That's what I'm saying. Hopefully you'll be way too busy. I don't think you need to fly that near. You probably get sued. Be careful so you don't run into something.
It's pissing me off. I don't want to go forward anymore. That's all the faster it'll go forward.
Well, I don't know what to tell you.
It goes backward. Well, no, it don't do backwards very good either. Must be running out of juice.
Hey, you're going to have to back this up so I can see what I missed.
Yeah, I'm gonna. Okay, I'm gonna do one more landing on my coffee table. Whoops. At least I thought I was going to. May as well land nose in. It's a little bit easier. Okay, here she comes, coming in hot.
That was good landing.
Pretty good, yeah. I can fly it right off of the coffee table. Here goes the takeoff. Whoa, about clipped my computer. That was close. Wonder if I can land on top of the refrigerator. Better not. Get out of there. Okay. I think that's probably enough demonstration with my GoPro. We gotta watch a show. Oh, she's running out of juice.
There's a bug.
See, it went into ground effect. Now it'll only fly by the ground. Yep, I'm out of power. We're stuck on the ground.
We've got to go back in the motor now.
And I'm stuck on the ground.
Okay. That's a damn shame.
We can only fly low-level missions until the battery dies. Whoa, caught a breeze there. Okay, enough of the low-level missions.
All right.
Off she goes. And that's a wrap.